Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change preferred SIM for mobile data in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to change your preferred SIM, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, go ahead to connections and here select SIM manager. And here you just have to select your mobile data. Simply tap on your mobile data option and here you will get the two sims which you have. Here I have two sims, or there's the off option. You must have to select the first and second option, which is the sim 1 and sim 2. For example, I'm going to select sim 1, so your preferred sim will be switched. Or if you want to select sim 2, just select that, and in this way you can easily change your preferred sim for mobile data and any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.